Okay, yeah, I used to be a mumbling fool, but now I'm suddenly cool, because when it comes to balls, I'm juggling too.
Yeah, Jason Albert TV with Jason Albert.
What's going on, everybody? I am Jason Albert, and this is Jason Albert TV. Today, like I just said, I am juggling 2 balls with 2 hands. Now, before I teach you guys how to juggle 2 balls with 2 hands, you probably should know the reason behind learning 2 balls with 2 hands. Why do you need this skill? Well, this is going to come in handy if you're ever trying to get a job promotion, if you're trying to pick up women, if you're trying to pick up men, if you're auditioning for Cirque du Soleil, if you're trying to pretend you're sober when you get pulled over and you're standing outside doing a sobriety test with a police officer, and of course, other things. Now, to get started, you're going to need the necessary, proper, and safe equipment. Obviously, the first thing you're going to need is 2 hands. So if you're somebody with 1 hand or no hands, this is not going to be for you. Next, you're going to need 2 professional juggling balls. Now, if you don't have 2 professional juggling balls, you can use any 2 items. You could use a rock and a roll of duct tape, a can of soda and a bowling ball, a can of soda and a brand new iPhone, a dirty diaper and a sandwich, a flip-flop and a horny toad, a flip-flop and a pygmy hedgehog, a flip-flop and a gerbil, a flip-flop and a pack of cards, these safety goggles and a miniature Buddha statue. Okay, now that you know the importance of a skill like this, you have 2 hands and you have 2 items, I think you're ready to learn how to juggle 2 hands with 2 balls. Let's get right into it. Put down one of the balls. We need to start small. We need to build a foundation, man. We need to get back to the basics. First thing you want to do, take the ball, you're going to throw it up and then catch it with your other hand, like so. Boom. Okay? Again. Boom. Now you can try to go the other side if you're feeling lucky. Boom. Just simply throw it up, catch it, okay? Pro tip, you guys should be practicing over some kind of a desk or a table or a bed. That way, if you do miss the ball, it doesn't go everywhere, because when it falls on the ground, it takes a long time to pick up. You could hurt yourself. You could injure somebody else. So I'll show you what I mean, right? If I throw this up and miss it, oh no, it's right there, okay? Oh, I just pick it up and go again. But if I do this, oh no, oh my back, oh God, I can't find it. Where is it? Where is it? This is taking up time. This is time. You get what I mean? Okay. Awesome job. Next up, what we want to do is we want to try something called the simple pass. So what you want to do is take it in one hand and you're just going to throw it from that hand to this hand, but in a simple pass, quick pass method. Notice how I did that. I didn't hand it off. Do you guys see what I'm doing? So what have we learned so far? We have learned the throw up and catch it. We have learned the simple pass. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put those 2 things together. So grab your other item, your other professional juggling ball, and let's get started. What you want to do now, we're going to put those 2 things together. So you're going to throw this up, okay? Throw it up. It's going to throw. Okay, pretend I've released the ball. The ball's coming over to the other hand. As it's coming down, right before I catch it, I'm going to do the simple pass with this one, right? So I'm going to catch this, but pretend right before I caught it, I did a simple pass to this hand. Okay? So throw it up, catch it, simple pass it. Throw it up, simple pass it right before you catch it. Let me demonstrate. Did you guys see what I just did there? I threw it up, and before I caught it, I simple passed it. Amazing. 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 Nice job, guys. You just juggled 2 balls with 2 hands. I hope you're proud of yourselves. You guys are going to go far in this life. But now I think you're ready for some advanced techniques. So I'm going to go over 2 quick advanced techniques that you guys can do to even get a bigger promotion and even get a bigger woman. Here we go. This technique is called the alternating throw it up thingamabob. Here we go. What I'm doing is I'm throwing one up and the other one. Ba-bam, bam. Ba-bam, bam. Ready? Ba-bam, bam. Notice that. Ba-bam, bam. You have to say the ba-bam, ba-bam, bam. Ba-bam, bam. Ba-bam, bam. Ba-bam, bam. Nice job! You guys are catching on quick. Excellent work. The next one is called the same time throwing it up duo más amazingo. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to throw them up at the same time and catch them. That's how I warm up. Everyone has their own warm up. Boom! Boom! Bam! Boy, girl! Different people. All right, guys, that is how to juggle 2 balls with 2 hands. I hope you guys dug that. I hope you guys used that. Again, remember, you get pulled over by the cops, pull that stuff out. You ain't getting no tickets, son. Thank you so much for watching. See you later, crocodile.
Please like, comment, subscribe, follow, and share.